Hey guys, we're finally back. First stop, we're here at Fish Hut.
We're gonna fish the little creeks.
Yes, and we're here with the newest fishing member.
Amelia, she's drooling everywhere.
Oh, okay. I think she's ready to go. You ready to go? You ready to go catch your big fish?
Yeah. We found a little stream. Oh yeah, we got this baby dome. We're gonna try out. So we're gonna try to find a little pocket where the fish might be hiding. This is just absolutely beautiful out here. This looks like the spot we're gonna try out first. There's like a little deep little hole over here, if you guys can see. Man, I cannot believe it. We just came to our spot and we found a bird that's like stuck inside of on fishing line. Right there. It's okay, birdie. Oh, there's a fly on it, fishing fly. Make sure you throw away your line, guys. This is what happens. You're free now. You're free, buddy. We're gonna start off with an OB jig. Oh, you got a bite?
I've had one.
I mean, I lost my fluorocarbon, so I'm gonna go straight braid. Oh, he's going for it here. He went for it.
Okay.
It's a pretty decent size too.
Okay, let's go. We got a hungry little bear waiting for a fish.
See it right here? You got it. Oh, got him.
Got him.
Oh. Straight braid and they don't care. You see the jig?
I see the jig.
And the fish comes out right here. I bet you. Right there he is.
I see him. Oh, got him. I see him. Oh, got him. Got him, Daddy.
You got him, guys.
You got him. Amelia, look, Daddy got your fish. Right on the lip.
Look at that, guys. Right on the lip. Woo. Not sure how I'm gonna do this. Wetting my hands. Did I touch it?
What happened?
Okay. Okay, we'll let it go. And he's gone. I see some fish swimming around, so we're gonna try this little section real quick. We gotta find water that's a little bit more slower, or where the water pools up a little bit. I actually see one. Look, there's one right there. Yep, he's going for it. There you go. Oh, missed him. There you go. Let's show them the box. What we got inside. A whole variety. I'm gonna go for this one. Guess what? I see one in there. See that little spot right there? Behind the rock? Perfect point. A place for them to hang out. I just gotta be able to get it behind there. Yep.
Alright, so
Time to bring out the official my favorite Explore Nature's Catch Mini Jig. Yeah, it's hard. You know, I thought that I'd bring her out by myself.
Well, I was at work.
But
Well, I went back to work. I was like, I don't think so.
yeah, it's tougher than I thought it would be. Maybe when she's a little bigger and she can walk around. But right now, it's too tough.
You happy, baby? You happy?
Be able to zoom in, you can see them right around that log right there. One in the back and one in the front.
Yeah. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see him. Wow. Look at that deal.
You got him, guys.
That was fast on your favorite jig, too.
Yep. We got another one, guys. Wet my hands. There's another one. Good. And he's off, guys. Thank you. That was amazing.
Good job. All right, everyone, we're back at home. Tonight we'll be making our favorite, delicious, quick and easy Chinese mammoth tofu. You guys should try it out, so let's get started.
If you want to keep it really simple, all you need is 4 ingredients. The box of mammoth tofu, the tofu, the beef, chicken or pork, and the rice. And that's it. But if you want to be fancy, add the green onions, add the eggplant. Come on over, guys. I got the beef cooking up over here. Now we're gonna come over here, just chop everything up. You got your eggplant. You know, you really don't need like two eggplants, you just need the one. All we're gonna do, throw it in the pot. Just throw it in the pot. And I'm gonna save a little bit of the green onions for garnishing on the top when everything's done. Now you just need your tofu. Just get it like this. Chop it in the middle. Be careful. I just make them into little cubes. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Then you get your sauce packets. And I kind of put a lot in here, so you might want to get another packet. Just dump it in. Boom. Just like that. Number 2, just like that. Get it all in there. Put some soy sauce on top if you like it like that. And you just get a cap. Boom. Put it on top. And that's it. Just wait 10-15 minutes. Boom. Done. Just like that.
Oh, do you want to be on camera too?
Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. The food is ready. Check it out. Got the rice over here. It's also good to go. Let's just plate it up. Let's do it. Oh, I made that perfectly. Sizzling. Sizzling. Just get it. Put it on top. That's it. Just put it on top. Just like that. And if you want to be fancy, put the green onions, bang. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. If you want a little bit more flavor, put the soy sauce. It helps a lot. It's about to be hot. That's hot as hell. But it's bomb. Delicious. Try it out, guys. Comment below if you try it out. If you got any other recommendations, comment below and let us know. Stay tuned for the next one.